here? I have to tell the nymphs. Wait. Come on, Swampy. I'll deal with the humans myself. Let's show them how nice I am. You're very different from the evil humans in all the forest legends.
Wow. You are the most amazingly beautiful demon I have ever seen. Your eyes...
I am not a demon. I am Mavka, the soul of the forest.
Has bewitched him! She'll put a curse on us! Get her!
And one more thing. Lukas told me it was almost too easy to fool you. Because you're just so nice.
I beg you, give me the strength to answer my calling. I need the spark of rage to protect the forest.
A spark of rage has its price. The price paid by the previous guardian was his enormous strength. The rage burned him out from the inside. And you, the spark will cost you your life. You shall enter the nothingness for eternity.
I agree.
As you wish, Guardian.
Mavka! It's me! Lukas! I'm here! She can't hear my words. But what if...
The right choice, making you the new Guardian. You have bridged the gap between the humans and the forest dwellers. But now, you have to pay the promised price and remain in the nothingness forever, for eternity.
I'm alive, and I will live on forever, because now my heart is full of something that will never die.